Can we talk about last night?
Sure, Mom. What is it?
I want to talk about your girlfriend, Chloe.
Did you like her?
To be honest, I am very worried.
Worried? About what?
Her clothes were too flashy for a family dinner.
She just wanted to look nice.
A short red dress is not nice for dinner.
It is just fashion, Mom.
And her family? They are very different from us.
They are very kind people.
But nobody in her family went to college.
Education is not everything.
Education is very important, Erik.
My father has a successful bakery.
That is good, but they don't talk about the world.
They just talk about simple things.
I noticed some bad signs last night.
What signs are you talking about?
Chloe talked loudly and checked her phone a lot.
She was just nervous.
A polite person does not do that.
You are being too strict.
I am your mother. I want a good wife for you.
Chloe is a good woman.
She does not match our family style.
I love her, Mom. That is what matters.
Love is not enough for a long marriage.
We are happy together.
I think you are making a mistake.
I am 32 years old, Mom.
You are still my son. I must warn you.
Please give her another chance.
I don't know, Erik. My feeling is not good.
You just need to know her better.
Maybe, but I am not happy right now.
Let's talk about this tomorrow.
Fine. Think about what I said.
I will. Good night, Mom.
Erik, do you have a minute?
Yes, Dad. What is it?
Your mother is very upset today.
I know. We had a big argument.
She told me about Chloe and her family.
Do you agree with Mom?
I think your mother is a little too harsh.
Thank you, Dad. Chloe is great.
But your mother has a point.
What do you mean?
Marriage is joining two families together.
I am marrying Chloe, not her family.
But family background shapes a person.
Chloe is very smart and hardworking.
Your mother cares about education and manners.
Chloe has manners. She was just anxious.
The red dress was a bit too much.
I bought that dress for her birthday.
Oh, your mother doesn't know that.
I should tell her.
No, that might make it worse.
So, what should I do?
You need to be patient with your mother.
It is hard when she judges Chloe.
Understanding. Mothers always worry about their sons.
I know, but I am an adult.
Are you sure Chloe is the one?
Yes, Dad, I am very sure.
Then you must prove it to us.
How can I do that?
Bring her here for a quiet lunch, just the four of us.
No big family meeting?
Exactly. Let your mother see the real Chloe.
That is a very good idea.
Give it some time. Don't push too hard.
I will listen to your advice.
We love you, Erik. We want you to be safe.
I love you both too.
Talk to Chloe. See how she feels.
I will call her right now. Hey, Chloe, how are you today?
I am okay, but yesterday was stressful.
I know. I am sorry about that.
Did your mother hate me?
Hate is a strong word.
She looked at me very coldly.
She is just very traditional.
Was my dress too flashy?
Well, my mom prefers quiet colors.
I knew it. I felt out of place.
My family is a bit too serious.
Your parents asked a lot of questions about my family.
They just want to know you.
I felt bad because my parents didn't go to university.
You don't need to feel bad about that.
My parents work hard. They are good people.
I know they are. I like them a lot.
But your mother didn't seem impressed.
She needs time to adjust.
What if she never accepts me?
We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
I don't want to cause problems in your family.
You are not a problem, Chloe. You are my girlfriend.
Do you think we are too different?
Our backgrounds are different, but our hearts are the same.
That is very sweet, Erik.
My dad suggested a small lunch.
Just us and your parents?
Yes, a quiet lunch next weekend.
I'm a little nervous about that.
Don't be nervous, just be yourself.
I will wear a simple dress this time.
Wear whatever makes you comfortable.
I want to make a good impression.
You always make a good impression on me.
Thank you for supporting me, Erik.
We're a team. We'll get through this.
Okay, let's have lunch with them next week.
I'll tell my dad. Everything will be fine.
I hope so. I really do.